Hi everybody, my name is Leah. I'm teaching a 3-month double hoop intensive class. It's very exciting. So just a little bit about myself. I have been hooping for 7 years in March, and I have been specifically using just double hoops for over 2.5 years now. I have taught many classes. I've been teaching for at least the past 5 years, and I'm really excited to teach you all about double hooping. So I've split up the curriculum into each month being a different thing. So the first month we're going to go over introductions. You're going to be learning terminology. You're going to be learning weaves, forwards, backwards, 2-beat weaves and 3-beat weaves and things of that nature. We're going to be getting into planes and anti-spins. And then in the second month, we're going to be working all on body. Everything from hoop splits. I'm going to teach you how to get comfortable with leg hooping so you can walk around a little while still doing tricks. And then in the third month, you guessed it, we're getting into tech. We're going to get into all the horizontal linear isolations, vertical linear isolations, blah, 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 and it's going to be awesome. I'm really excited about all of this. So with this class, you're also going to get an exclusive coupon code from my sponsor, Festival Treasures. I'm going to have videos after every single class for you, so that way you can always have them on hand when you're practicing at home. And we're going to be having a party at the end, so that's really fun. And maybe there'll even be a giveaway. Who knows? Can't wait to see you there. Go to fireandlightarts.com for more information, or you can email me at karma0hoops@gmail.com if you have any questions.